How to set up Geofences on app. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle enters or exits a specific location? You can do that by setting up a geofence for that location inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a geofence, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log into LocoNav fleet and asset management system and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Geofence from the menu. A dashboard with all existing geofences will appear. Tap on the Add Geofence button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen, in the shape of a plus sign. Name the geofence. For example, I am calling mine Warehouse. Type in the location address of the area you want to geofence. Enter the geofence radius value to increase or decrease the area covered based on when you would like to be alerted on a vehicle's entry or exit. The geofence radius is in the shape of a circle by default. Tap the Save Geofence button and you're all done. You can find it on the top right of your screen, in the shape of a tick mark. Your geofence is created. You can create as many geofences as you like. To set an alert for this geofence, go back to the home screen and tap on More from the top navigation menu. From there, tap on Alerts. Tap on Subscriptions and tap on the Set Alert button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen, in the shape of a plus sign. Use the search bar on the top to search for Geofence Alert. Tap on Geofence Alert from the search results. Now select the geofence you want to set the alert for. You can also select a geofence category to get alerts for the entire group of geofences. Choose vehicles for which you want to create the selected geofence alert in the form of real-time notifications. And tap Continue. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on mobile app, web, SMS, or email. Tap Create Subscription to save the alert settings. You can set up as many notifications as you like for each of your vehicles and each geofence. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, book a demo now.